guys. It's Lauren and Alyssa here.
Again.
And we're doing the blindfolded taste test. As you can see, my hair looks ratchet because I just tied it up.
I don't know. I think I look fabulous. Okay, continue.
Anyways, so what we have here today, I have 5 things that I'm going to give Alyssa. And she has to guess. They're all carbonated except for one of them, which is actually pretty good. Not even gonna lie. And yeah, let's get started.
Oh God, I'm scared.
Item number 1.
Okay, is it a drink, a food? Tell me what I'm dealing with here.
Wait, I have a straw for you.
Oh, you have a straw? That's so nice.
Stop.
Shove it in, shove it in. Coke?
No.
I'm obsessed with Coke, guys. Orange juice? No, high C lemonade.
No.
Apple juice?
Apple juice is one of the ingredients.
It's Coke, it's Sprite.
No.
Sprite.
No.
7-Up.
You have one more guess.
What other sodas are there? Pepsi.
Nope.
What was it?
It's apple juice and ginger ale.
That actually tastes good though. It's like apple cider.
Item
Have you
number
tried
2.
that? I don't like apple cider.
I like apple cider. Stop.
I know.
Item number 2.
Shove it in.
I'm gonna whisper
It
what.
won't go in.
I'm gonna whisper
It's so
what.
hard.
Shut up. I'm gonna whisper what the next ingredients are.
Let me pick that.
Apple. It's orange juice and Coke. Okay.
I didn't hear. Okay. What? No, not good.
Yes,
Shoving
good.
it in my mouth.
Very good.
Shoving it.
It's another drink.
Okay, it's a drink.
So it has a straw.
Oh my God! Orange juice and Coke.
How do you? Yeah.
Because Coke, I'm obsessed with, and like orange juice is like my favorite like breakfast drink.
Okay.
Oh, 1-Up.
No.
La 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 la.
No. Make noise.
Scapegna, mabilissima, ma that's okay. I don't know the words, I don't even
Okay.
know the... Okay. What is it? Food, drink, tell me what I'm dealing with.
It's food.
It's food?
Yeah.
Oh God.
Hold on. Give me a second.
What's he do, guys?
You ready?
No.
1, 2, 3.
It's a mint. It's a mint because it has that minty like aftertaste. Yeah. Okay.
It was.
I think she knows I don't like mint.
Okay. I don't even want to give you this next one. I feel
How
so
bad
mean.
is it? Oh God.
Here, I'm just gonna show you what it looks like, and then you guys have to guess what it is.
Oh, then I thought you would be nice to me.
Looks so nasty. Ah!
Sorry.
The apple juice got in my mouth.
Did it spill? Oh.
Ew, like where? Not
Okay.
cool, light. Okay. It's a drink, but this one doesn't have a straw.
Me too. God, it's not filling it up so fast. I'm scared.
Drink it! Don't be a wuss.
Apple juice and Coke.
And what else?
Orange juice.
No, what are those little white things at the top that taste the
What's that
first?
white things? Sugar? Salt. Give me the drink again.
Oh my God, it spilled on you. Here, let me help you out now.
That's my boob.
Yeah, I know, that was the point.
Okay, white
Yeah.
stuff.
There was white stuff at the top.
That's dirty. Guys, I'm dirty-minded.
I don't know. Do you want me to tell you?
Yeah.
It was mayonnaise.
Where's the thing?
It's over
I will spit it on you.
It's over there. It's over there. I love her.
She hates me.
No, I love her. I'm just
Give me an napkin.
Bitch.
I don't like being
Calm down.
blindfolded.
Calm down.
Guys.
I don't want to go next.
Oh, okay. There's one more thing, right?
Yeah.
How many points do I have so far?
None.
Okay, we're not doing points, I guess. It's just for fun. Okay, what's the last thing? Drink a food.
It's food.
Okay, is it disgusting?
No, I don't know.
Give me the food!
Bruh. It's in the spoon. Do you...
What's that? Water and cinnamon.
No.
Disgustingness. Kids, cinnamon.
Okay. Do you want to know?
Yeah!
It was,
Where's the napkin? We need to keep one on hand.
We do.
That was disgusting.
It was, baby rice cereal mixed with water.
Okay, so I'm taking
that?
off the blindfold.
What is this?
Oh, I'm not even on screen.
What is this?
Babies, eat that?
Yeah.
Babies, eat that.
Yeah.
Okay, so Lauren's turn next. All right.
I'm scared you're gonna do
All
something.
right, so we're back, and I think I'm gonna start her off with something nice. We have that. It's actually really good, and it's a spoon. You should know this. Woo!
It tastes like a Reese's peanut butter cup.
This is a terrible one. It's in a spoon.
I
This is the one that I spice things up.
don't want it. You put chili in it.
Taste it. She's biting. Lauren said you gotta taste
Screw
it.
you. No.
Please. I was lying.
Just do it.
It's as good as the first one. Fine, then let's do a different one. God. Okay, this one. It's good. I swear. It's great.
Wait. Hold on. Is it in a spoon or what?
Spoon.
I'm scared.
It's good. The first one that was in the spoon, you loved it. Taste it. She's still fighting.
Guys, help me.
Lauren.
My blindfold is coming up.
Lauren, I
Guys.
did it. You can do it.
No, I don't want
God, we know who the weakling is.
to.
I'll taste it first. You see me? I'm tasting it. That's good.
It's peanut butter and ketchup.
It's peanut butter and ketchup. Woo! It really is. Take off your blindfold. It's peanut butter and ketchup. Okay, put it down. Put it down.
I didn't even have to taste it.
How do you know you smelled it?
Yeah, I smelled the ketchup. I'm like, smell the peanut butter. This one I'm scared to do. Okay, hold on. You said spice things up.
Uh-huh.
Is there something sweet with it?
I don't know.
Just tell me.
No. Yeah, it's sweet and sour.
It's Nutella and Chile, you asshole.
It's not Nutella. Ah! She got it wrong. Oh, my hair.
Ugh.
Lauren, taste it.
Hell no.
Lauren.
Just tell me what it is. I don't want to taste that one.
That's not fair.
That one scares me. I don't want to taste
So
that
I'm
one.
gonna show it. Oh my god! It's jelly and red chili pepper. Don't look at it!
I wasn't looking at those.
Okay, so the next one. It's a drink with a straw. Oh, Lord! Spill it! You're lucky it's not full. It's good.
Okay, is it one of your good ones?
Yeah.
You promise me?
Promise.
I swear to God, if you're lying to me,
I
I'm gonna
swear
punch
to
you in
God,
the
it's a
face.
good one. I'm drinking it.
I'm gonna punch you in the face. Okay.
And then my saliva's on it.
I'm so scared.
Guys! What
Okay.
is wrong with her? Guess it. You're not even drinking it. Fine, you hold the cup. I'm not holding it anymore, so you're gonna drop it. What is it?
It's ginger ale.
Yeah. And?
Coke.
Woo! You're good at this. How is she good at this? Okay, next one.
I'm like,
All the drinks are good ones.
I don't trust you. It's apple juice. And Coke.
Yeah, that was number 4. Here's another one. Spoon. Lauren.
This is the jelly and chile one.
No. God, Lauren. Fine. Okay. It was the jelly into it.
I freaking knew it.
Okay, so take off the blindfold. She's a wimp. I'm the brave one.
I am a wimp.
And so fuck this shit. I'm out.
You gave me this one? She gave me the one I made for hers. Not even gonna lie, it's pretty good.
It tastes like apple cider.
Bye, guys.
I'm gonna eat this one. Just kidding, no. I only ate the peanut butter when I
I like the
tasted
peanut butter
it.
Nutella one.
I know.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Love you.
Okay.